Hello, this is a special video for my Indian friend. He asked me, Petra, you spoke so many times about the Luo Pans. Please introduce the Luo Pans, but I don't understand German. So I think I can do this in English too. This is one special Luo Pan. This Luo Pan is designed from Grandmaster Yap Cheng Hai. He passed away 2014. But in every special ring, he have different formulas. Normally, every master have his own Luo Pan. At the end of the day, they use special formulas, and these formulas you can find on the Luo Pan. This is a combination Luo Pan. You can see there are many formulas about Sanha. Sanha means three combination, and three combination means you look at the mountain, you look at the water, and as well about the door or about the house or about the plot of land. And Sun 1 means the time factors. If you are in a special part of time, you have different energies. And as well in Sun 1 Feng Shui, you can use flying star. This is a very common method for Feng Shui. As well, we have a lot of Xuan Kong. Xuan Kong means the mystic teaching about the 64 hexagrams. This is a combination Luo Pan, so the most important part is the middle, the compass needle, and as well the rings outside. I have a lot of different Luo Pans. I have my second special Luo Pan. This Luo Pan is from Grandmaster Raymond Luo. It's a smaller one. Here's as well a bigger one, and you see it's in plastic. And as well you have a compass needle and outside the rings. This is as well a combination Luo Pan because you have the human ring and as well the heaven ring and the 64 hexagrams. So it's a combination of both methods. So Grandmaster Raymond Luo thinks use as well a lot of landscape formula and a lot of Xuan Kong as well about flying star. I have a very, very special compass. This is not a very good and a strong quality because the string is soft and not so steady. But the special on this Luo Pan, it's a Yangon Luo Pan. I have studied Yangon as well, but only a little part of. It's from the lineage from Master Yang Yung Song. It's a very old method, and the special of this ring is that we have 72 dragon rings, and 72 dragons is together with the elements, and this Luo Pan only has this special formula. So if you have a Luo Pan, every master have different formulas and use special formulas like the 72 dragon. This Luo Pan I don't have the 72 dragon. No, I can't see them. So I have the 120 rings, but not the 72 dragons. No, not here on the Luo Pan. But I know they are here at this Luo Pan. So, but in this Luo Pan we only have the 72 dragon, but we don't have the elements for this method. So for Yangon Feng Shui, it was very important, the 72 dragon together with the elements. And this is a common Sanha Luo Pan. You see, there is no Xuan Kong, no 64 hexagram. Very important is, sure, of course, as well the compass needle about the outer rings. On each Luo Pan you have, sure, of course, the early heaven. The early heaven is very, very important because of, if you know, it's a spiritual thinking. If you have the early heaven on your Luo Pan, no spirit will touch you. So think some masters. So on every Luo Pan you will have this early heaven Bagua as well. This is a common Luo Pan. You see the letters are bigger and taller, And yes, the 3 rings, they're different. The human, heaven and earth plate. So this is a very good Luo Pan. It's a big size. Next one is, I won't have the next one. Ah, no, this is a combination Luo Pan. I will show you a San Juan Luo Pan. This is a San Juan Luo Pan, and look, it was one of my first Luo Pan, so I have some notes. At the beginning, I don't know how to write the Chinese sign, so I noticed the Chinese sign. Here on this Luo Pan, all Chinese signs, only one ring, the outer ring with degrees, there is not in Chinese, it's in our letters. And yes, on the San Juan Luo Pan, you only have one ring with the 24 mountains, and you have a lot of Xuan about grave Feng Shui, and as well about the living people, and a lot of formula. I like it, so exciting, this Luo Pan. You think it was my first one, and afterwards I buy the Sanha Luo Pan, and then I thought, okay, I have 2 Luo Pans and I have to carry both with me, very heavy. So I thought, no, it's not a good idea, I have to buy another one. So my next one, this is a combination Luo Pan from Sanha and San Juan. The name is Chungha Luo Pan. And it's so amazing because the shoe, of course, you have the outer ring, you have the compass needle. Inside is all formulas about Sanha. Outside are the rings for San Juan. It's a combination. And this is one of my Luo Pan which I use daily, because if I go to a client, I always have 2 compasses with me, because if some compass is not correct, I have a second one. So one day it was a company outside of Berlin. I need to measure with my Luo Pan, and then I saw that the compass needle was not correct. I can of course use the second one. This is a very modern Luo Pan. It's a golden Luo Pan. I like this Luo Pan very much because all the flying stars are here, very tiny, very little. But it's as well a San Juan compass. It's no Sanha compass. It's a San Juan compass, but I like him because really all flying stars, very tiny, are here on this. So, my dear friend from India and all around of the world, you see, to learn Feng Shui, it's not an easy tool, because you need to know every ring and every stroke on your Luo Pan. It's very easy, believe me. If you know 24 signs, you get it, you know, because 24 signs is always repeating from time to time. So have fun, choose one Luo Pan, don't put it on the earth, put it please not above, change the side, take it this way if you're traveling, or if you go with your car, or you put it in your desk, please do it this way. Second one, you have to be very careful with electricity, because the compass needle is broken, and it's not good if you have a broken compass needle, you can't measure. So have a lot of fun with your Luo Pans, and if you have any question, please ask me, and have a good day. Goodbye.